Hey friends, welcome to Uniquely Vintage You. Friends, today I have a treat for you. We're going to go over to my sister's and we're going to decorate her mantle and bookshelf. So she asked me to come over and help her. We're trying to brainstorm and come up with something new and different. So we're going to head that way and see what we can come up with. If you're new here, friends, my sister bought our childhood home. It's the home that my father built with his own two hands. He did all the woodwork, he did everything, and it's so amazing that he built such a beautiful home, you know, being so young, but it is definitely a treasure. So friends, let's head over to my sister and let's get to decorating her home for spring. Friends, welcome to my sister Cheryl's house. Now, I wanted to start on the mantle and I thought I was recording before I started, but I failed to get this on film or camera, so I apologize. But all I did was start with a couple of sprigs of greenery. I've tucked it kind of behind that mirror, and then she does have some nails where I was able to kind of take some wire and loop it around to make this greenery stay in place. But I'm wanting to do an arrangement kind of off to the side. I just thought this would be a really pretty look, something different that we haven't done before. So as you can see, I've used several types of greenery and I really think that elevates this look. The next stems that I want to use are just some of these really kind of viney white flowers that we have in our stash. I want this to be airy and not really full, so I've decided to add, I think, 3 bunches to this arrangement. I will go back and add a little bit more in later. As you can see, I also added in these really pretty blue flowers, and I think this is perfect. So my sister was happy with this, so I think we're going to stop right here. So friends, let's move over to the bookshelf. Friends, my sister has had these beautiful green dishes for a long time. They're so beautiful. She couldn't remember if she got them from Dillard's or TJ Maxx or Home Goods, but they're just so pretty. So she pulled them out and we're going to style them right here in this bookshelf. So I'm just going to add one of these to each of the shelves. So now that we have those in place, I'm going to use these green books that complement these plates as well. And then I'm going to pull in a few white pieces. So I have white and green and blue in her mantle. And so I'm not going to bring the shades of blue over here, but I definitely want to pick up the shades of white and green and maybe gold, since she also has gold. So I'm going to add these moss bunnies. I just think the green really plays really well against the green of these plates. So we're just going to style her bunnies along with these plates. So on the next shelf, I have this set of eggs that we got from Walmart. I have them in a container with some greenery. So I just thought I would place it right here on this shelf, and I think that is the perfect look for this one. I've got this gorgeous gold bunny. I believe this came from TJ Maxx, and we're just going to add it right here by this plate. Moving down to the next shelf, I'm going to add in this white dish, and then I'm going to add in a candle. And the next 2 pieces that I want to bring in is these, again, these moss bunnies. But I wanted to share with you one of the moss bunnies with the gold bunny on top. That came from Walmart. It is so cute. I will have it linked in the description below if that's something you're interested in, but we thought they were absolutely adorable. For the very last shelf, we're just going to use this sweet little moss bunny. It's got a little cream bow on its neck, but sadly he got in a little accidente and he lost his ear, so we're going to have to give him some surgery and attach his little ear back. But for the meantime, we're going to go ahead and decorate him with them right here. He's so sweet. And then we're just going to add another gold bunny. Lastly, I want to bring in these sweet little bunny egg cups. These came from Target several years ago. I think they're so sweet. I've used them in my home for the last few years, and this year I thought I would let my sister use them, and I figured we could style them someplace pretty, and I think this is the perfect spot. So we're just going to add the bunnies to each shelf, and we're going to top it with an egg. So now let's move over to this little table she has between her two chairs. She has this wood riser, and we're just going to add a wreath to the top of that. And I want to share with you this sweet little basket of little chicks that we thrifted last year. It is so adorable. I think it was $3.99, and I just think it's the perfect spot to put it right here. So to the opposite side of the mantle, we wanted to add in these beautiful gold candlesticks that my sister has from Hobby Lobby. And then we of course added her little bunnies that she has a collection of. And friends, Cheryl is a boy mama, and so we use a lot of blue, not so much pink, but we do incorporate a lot of blue, and it just is so fitting, and Easton just loves it. To the other side of the mantle, we're going to incorporate these gorgeous gold lanterns that came from Target several years ago. And again, here is that really sweet little bunny pillow that I thrifted from Goodwill, and it works perfectly right there. But friends, you'll have to let us know what you think of this look. I love how the bookshelf turned out. I think it really complements the fireplace and the mantle that we decorated. I just love how it's all come together. Friends, thank you so much for being here and watching this. I hope that it has given you lots of inspiration. And before we go, I just want to say thank you for being here. And Easton wants to share a little something with you, and then I want to share with you a Bible verse.
Hi guys, this is what I made.
You did a good job, sweetheart.
I put a few carrots, this little stick, bunny, and it looks like a bunny butt.
That's what it is.
And then I got some robin eggs and some green eggs, spotted green eggs, some carrots.
Perfect. You did a good
some
job.
Paper shred.
Paper shred. Good job. Love you.
Love you. Have a great day.
Search me, O God, and know my heart. Try me and know my anxious thoughts, and see if there be any hurtful way in me, and lead me in everlasting way. Psalms 139:23-24. Friends, do you know that we are not perfect, not by a long shot? We all fail, and we fail miserably. But I'm so thankful that we can come to the throne of God and ask Him to lead us and guide us. Friends, I just appreciate y'all being here so much. Thank you for watching our video. And friends, we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye, y'all.